car. They made the... My mom is building a house and I came to it. And there are the builders. And we are... This is going to be a bathroom. And... That's how they build, mashallah. That's gonna be the main entry door. This will be a room with a walk-in closet. And then this is like the living room with a balcony slash like a little porch area. Let's see. So like 4 bedrooms. And هيا قدفة. Literally the whole entire, like this house is being built, that house is being built, that house is being built, that house, that house, that house, that house, that house, that house, this building, all of these have been built. This one is being built. It was just finished now. That one is being built. This one is being built. This is just amazing. كيف؟ والله واو. وقتها في صورة الله. So beautiful. كيلا بيجي صورة مرمى. كيلا بيجي كذا. لا وقت ده جاري كمان دقائق. So beautiful. جاري كمان دقائق. وقت ما لا مدي بقى. Look at the mountains over there. ما يطير ما شاء الله هلا ما يطير بعد الشيء مويل به عداوة محاكو سوفنيس هذا دب كشريتين حقيقتك انت هاي عبار ما سوس عبار ما سوس عتي ماي هتهمن وكنت هذا بس هو يقانا هذا بس مو يقانا ها عيال مود ندلي ها seriously this is so picturesque mashallah. We've got the beautiful houses and the mysteries and beautiful papaya tree that we've got going on here. But look at that, so beautiful. And of course that's a Bajaj going that way. Look at that beautiful sky. MashaAllah. Danchero breakfast. Here's Danchero. Here's the bear. We have Shah. Of course, Falahal Lindanan. Can't get any better than this. It's so delicious. Bismillah. We're gonna enjoy and devour this. The sun feels so good. It's one of the last days we're here. I'm gonna miss this place so much. This is barwaaqada Africa lagu haysto. Ilaahay amarkiisa waxa ku soo baxaya papaya tree. Kowde. Papaya tree gana. Biyo kuma shubaysid waxna. I said, Mom, do you even take care of it? She's like, "My rob ilaahay ba ku daa." Why? La ilaha illallah. Who can find this barwaqa anywhere else but Africa? And then هذا ثردت. نحال لها شيطان ويان كاس شيطان لما تيجون. Who's here? There's nobody here. Trying to find my sisters. There's so many rooms in here. ناهو يبقى ماشي موجودين. ما حد شيء يسي. أنا واحد جاب الآن متى سكري. But one مذواني معنا ما له Wow, what does this go? Wow, fancy. ما عليك مدوبي. I like the game. Wow. This. I need this. I need this. I need that. قولي مصافي فين كنا أصاق شنو؟ بدل ما حولي حبوكو كوري مركب. عند السريع. Those are new real estate homes. I think new developments. Those are new developments in Jigjiga. It's kind of like a little bit outside the city, but they're kind of like, they remind me kind of like townhomes because they're so close together. And that's the city, all of it. So it's a little bit outside the city, but it's nice because it's a little bit more quieter, not so much congested.
Jigjiga dhulkayga dhagax buur shiniliyo qabrida hartan dhiigiyo dhalashada wadaagna Jigjiga dhulkayga dhagax buur shiniliyo qabrida hartan dhiigiyo dhalashada wadaagna dambalka kulleedi diganaha xasuusaha waa dheeman iyo dahab waa dhiidhi iyo guud waa nolol dhammaystiran waa dhimasho goobannimo
This tree is so beautiful. MashaAllah, tabarakallah, ilaah u barakay. That is such a beautiful girl. Oh my God. Waa awr maal dhaamse waa rati. Ma halba. Hal min maxaa waa ignaga. Geel qurux badan baa wadataa MashaAllah. Why? Do you want it?
There's no one. Oh, hala.
Wait, they have strawberries too?